Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rulla Alani, and today I'm very excited because I have a financial education video for you guys. I know in the past I've made videos about money, how to attract more money. I've also talked about why you should start investing. So I thought today would be the perfect opportunity to teach you guys how to spend your money more wisely. If you guys have not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, and also give me a big thumbs up. In the past year or two, I read the book I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit, and he offers so many insightful tips and kind of words of wisdom in that book. He really hones in on this idea of spending luxuriously on the things you care about and on the things you value, and to cut back mercilessly on the things that you don't care about. So for example, if your thing is like travel and food, which for me that's definitely the case, well then that means I can spend like crazy, like a maniac in those two areas. But that also comes with the sacrifice of me eliminating in another area. So personally, I don't really get my nails done very often. I don't really do facials very often. I only get my hair cut almost twice a year at a salon. So I'm able to save up on those recurring costs, at least a good $500 to $1,000 every month I'm saving by not having costs like that. Also, when it comes to shopping, I tend to only shop 2 to 3 times a year, and I try to make it like a seasonal shopping trip. And that way I don't have this constant monthly charge of going shopping, right? I plan for it. It's those 2 or 3 times a year. And then the rest of the year, I can focus on the things that I really value, which is travel and food. So just know that if you love to spend on luxury cars, then you'll need to cut back elsewhere, whether it's on your rent and your living situation, whether it's on nice restaurants or going out to drinks with your friends. Just know that anytime you spend luxuriously, you can definitely do it, but you're also going to need to cut back elsewhere with something that doesn't truly matter as much to you. And also another word of advice is just give yourself a value per hour. Think to yourself, how much am I worth per hour? If you're worth $100 an hour, well then, is there anything in your life that you can now outsource to someone else? You can go work and make $100 an hour, and you can outsource a task or a chore, something you don't really want to do, to someone who's willing to do that at a lower rate. That's all about leveraging your time and your money, right? Because sometimes we do need to make that call. Okay, so let's start by talking about clothes, shoes, and accessories. Especially as a woman, we have this pressure to continuously conform to new trends, to the season, to social media, things we see, and so we're constantly feeling the need to change our clothes, to buy new clothes, to get the latest Chanel bag or Louis Vuitton this and that. And I'm telling you guys, you should not be doing that, okay? We want to stick with classy, timeless, ageless pieces that are going to remain in your wardrobe for years and decades to come, okay? So always think quality over quantity. You want to ask yourself, what pieces would elevate my wardrobe right now, right? Not what piece do I like or what piece is trendy. So what I actually started doing is taking pictures of all my stuff. I'd walk into my closet, take pictures of all my heels, all my sneakers, all my coats, shirts, dresses, so that when I was in the store, I could quickly look at the picture, glance at the things that I have, and see, hey, what color is gonna match well? What piece is missing, right? This helps you from just purchasing things just to purchase them. So once you've taken a picture of your wardrobe, you can even make a list of things that are currently missing from your wardrobe. Maybe you don't have white pants. Maybe you don't have rain boots, right? So you're gonna make a list of those things, so next time you go shopping, you actually have things that you're looking for. It really does come down to quality over quantity. You want to pay close attention to the material of your clothes. Stay away from man-made materials like rayon, polyester, nylon, any sort of blends that are not natural. Stick with 100% cotton, 100% silk, stick with cashmere, stick with wool. Also, make sure to check the cleaning instructions. A lot of the more nice quality products are definitely going to be dry clean only, so keep that in mind. If this is going to cost too much down the line, then maybe you want to stay away from it, or if you feel comfortable hand washing, then not a problem, but just make sure to take a look at that, because I know sometimes I've bought things, brought them home, and then not realized that it was only a dry clean item. So just think about the long term. Think about adding those quality pieces that are really going to make a big difference in your wardrobe. Another thing you want to do is always shop at bigger department stores. So places such as Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale's, Saks Fifth Avenue, DSW for shoes. They tend to have so many sales, so many discounts, and it's literally the same item that you would find from a luxury store, but maybe it's just not this current season, right? Maybe it's a season late or something like that. So shopping at bigger stores allows you to save a lot of money on discounts, and not only that, but you also get to build points and credit with that store. So I'm not talking about getting a credit card or anything, but a lot of these stores have loyalty programs. So every time you shop there, you're building you're building history with them. Almost every single time I go to Bloomingdale's now, I have like a $20 gift card or a $50 gift card. These companies are going to treat you really, really well because these department stores can afford to give you that extra discount, to give you those extra rewards and promos. And another hack that I always do when it comes to department stores is share the same rewards number with my friends or family, because if we're all shopping at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom's and collecting points, then we're going to get those rewards a lot quicker. So just keep that in mind. If you and your roommate both shop there, then why not share the same rewards? Or if you and your sister do, just think about it, because it can definitely help you build up points quickly. When you enter a department store, you already have your list of items that you're looking for, and you can compare across different brands, across different styles, different colors, different price points, and select the best item. And remember to check the fit and the color, right? Does the color complement your skin tone? Does it look nice with your hair? Does it complement the rest of your clothes and your style? Okay, now when it comes to buying skincare or bath or home supplies or even kitchen supplies, you also want to think about, what do I truly need, right? Make your list so that you can be looking for them over time and finding products that fit those criteria. So just knowing that we have these things we're looking for keeps us focused, it keeps us on track, and it keeps us from buying things that we really don't need. Also, once you've decided what it is that you want, ask yourself, are there multiple stores that offer the same item? For example, Sephora versus Ulta, or maybe Walmart versus Target, maybe Whole Foods versus Ralph's, right? So you want to then go and compare the prices, because sometimes different stores can have the same item but with a completely different markup. So this is another way that you can save. Also, you want to ask yourself, how often do I use this item? If I use it regularly, can I buy it in bulk? Can I maybe buy it on a subscribe and save program? So I know personally, I tend to buy things that I need consistently in bulk. I buy toilet paper in bulk, paper towels, olive oil, things that I'm constantly gonna need to use. I always like having an extra pair. Same when it comes to skincare. I don't want to just one day realize that I'm all out of face wash. I wanna have an extra one ready to go. So just think of buying things in bulk, because you end up saving more generally. Things are usually buy two, get the third free, or usually if you buy the big family pack size, then you're going to save money that way. And if it's something you're gonna be using so much anyways, might as well just make that purchase up front. Okay, so now let's talk about dining, vacations, experiences, travel. If you guys don't know, I am a huge traveler. I really believe in investing in experiences that really take you out of your comfort zone and teach you about the world and just allow you to go out and explore all it is that we have here on Earth. Honestly, this planet is just absolutely amazing. And if you don't have the passion or the interest to go out and explore, like, it boggles my mind, because I am just plotting how I can explore every single country before I leave this earth. Like, that is definitely one of the things that I truly value. It was something that my family valued, and that was definitely something I grew up with. And so personally, for me, I know traveling is a top priority. Eating fine dining and having those nice experiences of quality food with friends and family and people I love, that is something that I truly value. I love going to symphonies and concerts and things of that nature. Now, you might ask someone else and maybe they love Broadway shows and they love theater and plays. So everyone should know what their thing is. If your thing is, I don't know, going and watching a pro basketball game or going and watching a hockey game, right? Just know what your things are and know that they are worth the investment. Nobody should be able to look you in your face and tell you, hey, that thing that you care a lot about, well, it's not worth it. Because I believe that you are allowed to value anything you want, no matter how crazy or out of this world or bougie it may seem, you are allowed to have these interests. So just think about what sort of experience or restaurant or concert or what kind of vacation would really take my life to the next level, would really open my eyes to something that I haven't experienced before. Maybe you've never been to a desert, or maybe you've never seen a waterfall, or been to Vegas, or been out of the country. So this is something you should definitely invest in, and don't feel guilty about it, because you are adding so much richness and experience to your life. So it's always worth it. When you invest in these experiences, don't even think twice. I mean, it's great to look for deals, whether you're looking on Expedia.com or Groupon or whatever. Sometimes you can find some local offerings or membership deals or credit card rewards, but at the end of the day, I think it's worth it regardless. Everyone has a different income. However, everyone has the ability to live luxuriously. I truly believe that nothing should stop you from living the life of your dreams, and you need to be conspiring with the universe to experience the things that you wish and dream for. There is nothing stopping you. I believe in you. I think that honestly the options and the opportunities are limitless. Believe in yourself, invest in experiences, know when to cut back and know when it's worth it. We all deserve wonderful experiences and we all deserve abundance. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that this video taught you guys how to spend money more wisely. Please comment below your guys' tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!